Hello guys, and welcome to another video here at Yes Weave. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to revive your old hair bundles from looking like this to looking like this. Yep, it's exactly the same hair bundle, okay? Absolutely transformed, looking brand new. You will never even know this hair has been touched or it's over 2 years old, okay? So let's get right into it. First, you're going to need a comb, and then you want to just comb through that hair, okay, in its dry state. So you want to comb out all the tangles, any sort of, dry hair or any damaged hair. You want to get rid of that excess. You want to get rid of that hair, okay? So just comb slowly. And now you're going to need some shea butter once you're done combing. Okay, so just soak that hair in lukewarm water and apply some CANTU shea butter on the hair bundles to soften it, okay? Once again, just comb through that hair to distribute the conditioner to every part of the hair. Now you're going to need some shampoo. Get yourself some shampoo. You can use any shampoo of your choice. And then we're just going to sprinkle that into another bowl of lukewarm water or in the sink of lukewarm water. And just dip your bundles in there and let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Just so you can absorb the shampoo. And what you're going to do now is just rinse it. You can see that excess dirt coming out of the bundles. Yep, that's what we want to see. It tells us the bundles are being properly washed. So just repeat that process and wash all the other bundles. Now you're going to need some conditioner. I like the argan oil conditioner because it's extremely soft and it's perfect for dry, damaged hair. So I'll just squirt that conditioner all over the hair bundles, okay? Just put as much as you can. Remember, these are old, dry, frizzy bundles. We're trying to revive these bundles to look as good as new. So sprinkle as much conditioner as you can on the hair bundles, okay? I'm just applying the conditioner to the bundles to make sure it's distributed equally on each hair bundle. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put it in a plastic bag. So I'm just going to put the bundles in a plastic bag and get it ready for cooking. Yes, we will be cooking these bundles. We need to get it as brand new as possible. It's going to take a while, guys, so be patient and make sure you do this on your spare time. So now I've got some hot water. Now you can actually boil this in a pot in a microwave, or you can just boil some water in a kettle and then pour it in a sink or in a bowl and just let your bundles sit there. Now I let that sit for about 30 minutes, okay? Make sure you put it in a plastic bag just so it doesn't damage the hair, okay? Because you don't want direct contact with the hair. 30 minutes later, and I'm just rinsing off the bundles. As you can see, just rinsing them off in lukewarm water. And I'm just squeezing out the excess water using a towel. And now I'm just going to dry it in a hanger and leave it to dry overnight. It's best to air dry the hair bundles to get a perfect natural effect. Do not blow dry it. And as you can see, this is the next day. And yes, this is exactly the same bundles you saw yesterday. Absolutely soft, absolutely silky, smooth. You won't even know these bundles have been used before, okay? Exactly the same hair bundles, and it only takes you a few minutes to get these bundles transformed. So go out there and get your old bundles wherever you've got them dumped. Try this out and leave your comments down below. Let me know how you get along, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.